this video, we'll detail headlight replacement on 2000 to 2006 GM SUVs and pickups. This replacement is similar for 2000 to 2006 Yukons and Yukon XLs, 2000 to 2006 Tahoes and Suburbans, 99 1500 series pickups, which is Sierra and Silverado, and 2007 Classic series. Basically, the headlight procedure is the same for all trucks that look similar to the truck, our example truck. Our example truck is a 2002 Yukon Denali. It has the projector beam headlights. The procedure to replace the headlights is the same whether or not you have projector beam headlights or regular headlights. No tools are required for this, and it only takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The process to remove the headlights is very easy. Open your hood, locate the pins that hold them in, twist them, pull them up, and remove them to release the headlight from the mounting bracket. Then pull the headlight forward, locate the low beam and the high beam connectors, disconnect the connectors by pulling your thumb into the connector and pulling. And now the headlight is free from the vehicle. Now get your new headlight, reconnect the low beam connector, now reconnect the high beam connector, and put the light back in the vehicle, making sure that on the pigtail of that low beam connector you push it back into the hole so it doesn't get caught between the headlight and the mounting bracket. Now, put the pins down and lock them back into place, and you're done. You've basically now replaced the headlight on a 2002 GMC Yukon Denali, and again this goes for most 2000 to 2006 GM trucks and SUVs. Do a quick test